Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, working on a Leslie 122 amplifier. So, what I like to do before I begin the rebuild process on an amp is I like to do some basic cleaning of the chassis, because I just don't like to work on a dirty amplifier. So this one looks good, looks nice, but it does have some dust on it. So I'm going to remove this surface dust, and I use a tub of towels. I buy a lot of these things, and I love them because they have nice wipes. They're not too wet. They are wet, but not overly wet. They have one side that's textured, and I think this is the textured side, and then another side that's smooth. So this is the textured side, this is the smooth side. So this textured side is real good for when you have something that you need to get removed, some dirt, grime need to have removed from an amplifier. And I found that I can use these tub of towels with any of the parts, Leslie Hammond parts that I need to clean. It's just a great general cleaner. And get all inside there. You can even wipe the paper. The labels doesn't harm anything. And a good thing I like about this, the tub of towels, is you don't have to worry about removing any of the print that's on the amplifier chassis. This cleans the print off as well and leaves the print intact. So like Leslie brake accessory socket, motor outlet, all of that writing that's on the chassis, I'm not worried about that disappearing as a result of using the tub of towel. The only thing I want to disappear is this dirt that's on the chassis. And that's what this takes care of. So I can do it both the top as well as underneath. Get inside here, because this one wouldn't be working. I want this looking good inside. I can get all down in there. Tub towel. You can even wipe the schematic. I'll get that dirt off the schematic on the side right here. It's right here. this tub of towel, it allows you to clean that. All right, that looks good. So that was one tub of towel that I used. And as I said, this one wasn't very dirty. Had some dirt on it, as you can see there. And without the tub of towel, that stuff gets on your hands. So I'd rather wipe it off, clean it off. Oh, one more thing. Let me get this cathode resistor here. I mean, they're so pretty, I guess, and people like to put their fingers on it. They like to touch this thing. You leave fingerprints on it. It's a cathode resistor. All right. So now that's clean. All right. All right. Got a clean amplifier now. It's beautiful. Inside is nice. All right, time to go to work. Let's get the party started and rebuild this Leslie 122. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.